What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple copy-paste formula you can use totally for free to drive massive targeted traffic from Facebook directly to your affiliate link, okay? So if you're promoting an affiliate product right now, it doesn't matter if it's in the make money online niche, weight loss, teaching people how to improve their golf ability, whatever it is, you're going to be able to use this method, this copy-paste simple method to get traffic which will convert into sales, okay? Now, using this method and some other methods I've been sharing recently, you can see that in one of the programs I'm promoting, I've been able to generate $17,766, okay? So as you continue to watch this entire video, by the end of it, when you go out there and apply this simple 30-minute formula, you're going to be able to start to get results you truly want, okay? Now, before I dive into this exact formula, if you're new to my channel, though, and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to click the subscribe button below and the bell icon so you're always notified. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to have a product that you're promoting. Now, you need to understand what niche or topic that product has to do with. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use make money online because that's what I'm personally doing, but you can use this for any simple niche you want, okay? So the very first thing we want to do is go to our Facebook profile, and then we want to go to this little search bar, okay? And we want to type in a few words that have to do with the niche. So for me, it could be, make money online. Now, once we do that, we want to filter by groups. Okay, and this is going to list down tons and tons of groups that have to do with that niche. So for me, again, it's all these make money online groups. Okay, now once we have this list, what we want to do is we want to look for the groups that have a good amount of members. Okay, because what we're going to do with this method is we're actually going to want to get in front of as many people as possible so we can start to get targeted, qualified traffic to go to our affiliate link and eventually buy. Okay, so we want to look for anything with over 1,000 members. Okay, you can see the members here, 23,000, and this is a really good sign. So once you do that, now what you want to do is you want to join at least 30 groups, okay, with 1,000 or more members. Now you can do that by just clicking here. Okay, so for example, with this one, okay, 226,000 members, that's incredible. I could click there, boom, now I've joined. Now sometimes when you join a group, it will send a request to the admin of the group and they'll decide whether or not they want to approve you, but you can just go through and join a lot of these groups. Okay, now don't join too many. Sometimes Facebook has a limit. Okay, you can join about maybe 10 a day for about 3 days just to ensure you don't get Facebook jail or blocked for a few days. Okay, so go ahead and join. Now the next step is we want to go find our affiliate link. Okay, now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using multiple income funnel. Okay, this is one of the affiliate programs I'm currently promoting. It's been converting incredibly well, and it gives you capture pages done for you, sales videos, follow-up emails, and the ability to earn 100% commissions in some of the different income streams. So what I would do is I would go to links and I would take one of my affiliate links. Okay, so one of these capture pages, I'll take capture page 1. Okay, so I'll go to the top, I'll copy that affiliate link. Now, again, this works if you're promoting a product on ClickBank, JVZoo, it doesn't matter, but you want to copy your affiliate link. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to bit.ly.com. Now, we want to go here, and what this site does, if you create a free account, you're able to mask your affiliate link, okay? So, for example, right now, my affiliate link is a long, it's similar to this, okay? It's very long and unattractive. So I can go to create, I can enter the long URL, okay, boom, right here, okay? And now I can basically go to create, okay? And now it gives me this shortened link, okay? Now you can even customize the back half of the link, okay? So I can put in there, make money with Garrett, okay? Because that's my name, and I could hit save, okay? Boom, now bit.ly, make money with Garrett. If I copy this, okay, and I go to this link, now it redirects to our affiliate link. But again, the power in bit.ly.com is that it makes it look attractive, okay? So now we want to save this shortened link. Okay, the next step is what we want to do is we want to either go to the affiliate sales page that we're promoting, or if the affiliate program is good and it has a Facebook community and group, we want to go inside that group or that sales page and we want to screenshot some testimonials and results. Okay, so for example, with the product that I'm promoting, okay, if I go back here and I go to the Facebook group for the multiple income funnel, what I can do is I can scroll down and I can look for someone posting a result. Okay, so this person right here, Sarah. So this is a testimonial. Okay, now using this powerful free traffic method, as you'll see in a second, we can use this to start to generate results. So if I'm on a computer, I can use a snipping tool like this, okay, which comes free usually on most desktop computers. And I can save this to my computer. Now, if you're on a smartphone, something like that, you can actually just screenshot, okay, that result, okay? Now this is on my computer. Now, if you don't have a Facebook group with the product you're promoting, you can go to, let's say it's on ClickBank. Often you can open up this sales page, okay? And on the sales page, often you'll find testimonials, okay? So this person right here, this is a testimonial. You can do the same thing. You can snip this, okay? And you can actually save this to your computer or your smartphone. Now, once we have the testimonial or result, now we want to go on to the next step and we want to go back to, okay, this page here where we see the list of the groups and we want to open up one of the bigger groups, okay? Now, once we're in there, what we're going to do is we're going to make a post inside of this group, okay? But the first thing we want to do is we want to upload that photo that we just saved to our computer or smartphone. Okay, so you can see right here that I just uploaded that photo. Okay, so this is a result. Now what we want to do is we want to make a post. Okay, now the purpose of the post is to add some clarity on what this has to do with. Okay, so a good idea is to put something in here that's curiosity inducing. You want to leave information out. You want to pique people's curiosity. Now, if you're actually in the make money online niche, which I know a lot of my subscribers and viewers are, in the description, I've actually included some copy paste text that you can go ahead and just use when you post in a make money online Facebook group. So you can go ahead and just use those to start to hit the ground running and get results as fast as possible. Okay, so you can see right here, these are 4 different texts that you can add to your post. Okay, you just want to add 1 per post. Okay, now where it says a link, you would just put in your link, okay? And you can, again, like attach an income screenshot to the post. Now, some of these have spelling errors, okay? Now, this is actually done on purpose because it seems more real, okay? If it's too polished, if it's too, good, some people may think, okay, like this is obviously, not real. But if you, add some spelling errors. So for example, you can actually just copy this, okay, copy one of them, go back to the Facebook post, and now you just want to paste that in, okay? And now where it says link, what we're going to do is go to bit.ly, copy that shortened link, and now we're going to paste that in, okay, just like this. And what happens is, okay, this text, okay, all of the text are designed to pique people's interest. And then when we put our link there that's shortened, this looks pretty attractive. And now we have a result that catches people's attention and shows proof. Now we're going to get a ton of free traffic when people click this link. Okay, so I can go ahead and post that. Then you're going to see in a second, okay, boom, right? So I just posted that to this group. Okay, and what you can even do is you can even like your own post. Okay, this is going to add social proof. This is going to start to get people curious and think, wow, like, someone's actually clicked this is working. And that's it. And again, when people click this link, it's going to redirect to my affiliate link, right? Now, how many of these do you want to do a day, right? Well, what I recommend you do is you do anywhere from 20 to 25 posts like this per day, okay? Because the point of this method is it's going to snowball. As you stay consistent and you do about 20 to 25 posts a day, over the next few days, you're going to start to get exponential traffic, okay? More and more people are going to click your link. More and more people are going to go to your affiliate sales page. And if it's high converting, like the one in the description under this video, you can find out more information about the multiple income funnel, which is what I'm promoting at the time of recording. And you can find out more information about that. It's very high converting. You're going to start to get sales, okay? Now you want to do, again, 20 to 25. Some of the posts may not get approved, okay? Some of the groups, they need to get approved by the admin. Some of the posts may get deleted. All you need is one or two that really starts taking off, that people start commenting on, they start liking, they start clicking your link to start to make some incredible money, okay? And that's really the very, very simple steps to this free traffic formula. So I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value in this video. If you did and you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button to let me know. Also subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. I haven't even scratched the surface. And again, last but not least, if you don't have a high converting affiliate product that you're actually promoting, be sure to go down below, click the first link, and you can check out my #1 recommended affiliate system that gives you all the tools, resources, and products to start to make the money you truly want. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.